You're always trying to manifest your desires, but no matter what you do, it never comes to fruition. Are you sabotaging yourself? Make sure you're not doing the following. 3 misfires that stop the universe from giving us what we want. Number 1. Self-doubt. Self-doubt is a frequency that neutralizes the frequency of abundance. Your request from the universe is inadvertently cancelled when you create any doubt. Number 2. Figuring out how it'll arrive. This lowers your frequency because the rational mind comes into play. Stop overthinking and just engage in activities that raise your vibration instead of lower it. Number 3. Being too anxious. Be patient. Just ask the universe, surrender, and trust without expectations. It takes time to receive since we live in a slower, more denser frequency. Trust your order is processing and that it's on its way.